Tesla and SpaceX CEO and billionaire investor Elon Musk is no doubt a Dogecoin enthusiast. He loves the cryptocurrency so much and he's never failed to let it show. He even referred to himself as the Doge Father. Thanks for watching Crypto Line. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a crypto Discord group where we give out calls for our favorite altcoins, and you can also win special rewards for inviting your friends to the group. Links for that are in the description. Tesla is a U.S. automobile and energy company based in California. It manufactures electric vehicles, solar panels, batteries, and aeronautics. In December of last year, Elon Musk gave out a hint about the possibility of accepting Dogecoin as a legal tender at Tesla. And on Friday, 14th of January 2022, he announced on Twitter that Dogecoin will be accepted for some Tesla merchandise on a test basis. This announcement alone gave rise to an instant surge in the value of Dogecoin to 20 cents. Although the acceptance of Doge for payment is still limited to accessories such as a belt buckle, cyber whistle, and cyber quad for kids, it's a very good start for Dogecoin's acceptance and it's seen the price rise significantly. Purchases made with Dogecoin are also time-based. This means that payment for the merchandise to be purchased must be completed within the time allocated for it, which is tracked with a timer. If the payment isn't completed within the allotted time, the payment has to be started all over again. These payments are also non-refundable. Since Tesla vehicles are electric, their batteries need to be charged and recharged for them to function. A Tesla can be charged at home or at a charging station. Charging at home takes more time, but it is cheaper than charging at a charging station. For instance, a standard Tesla charger with a NEMA 1450 connector will be able to charge a Tesla battery completely in 10 hours for the Model S or in 10.5 hours for the Model X, while superchargers can charge a vehicle's battery up to 80% in just 40 minutes. After which it charges slower to protect the battery until it reaches a full charge. While home charging is a cheaper option, the cost of charging at a charging station is not really an issue for people who are always on the go, since charging stations use superchargers which are faster than home chargers. On Saturday the 19th of February, Elon Musk tweeted that Tesla will soon start accepting Dogecoin as a mode of payment at its supercharging stations in Santa Monica. Immediately after this announcement, Dogecoin started experiencing a surge in its prices. Ryan Zahuri, a developer and founder of Tesla Console, an app store for Tesla, noted on Twitter that the recently opened supercharging stations in Santa Monica got fully occupied fast by customers. Elon Musk had replied that Tesla plans to also open a futuristic diner drive-in theater in the Hollywood area, and what happened next will shock you. Another reply from Elon Musk stating that it would be possible to pay for all of these services using Dogecoin. Recall that Elon Musk made a similar announcement in December, and it has been implemented by allowing some accessories and merchandise to be purchased using Doge. It actually seems like all of these trials for Dogecoin as a payment option are going very well, and we're happy to see these recent developments pointing to more engagements. Just recently, there's been news suspecting that SpaceX, the giant tech company that designs, manufactures, and launches advanced rockets and spacecraft, will also accept Dogecoin as a payment option. It's worthy to note that Elon Musk is also the founder of SpaceX, and we have no reason to doubt this will be happening soon. SpaceX already has a project that is completely funded using Dogecoin, and although the value wasn't disclosed, there is information that the entire project is running on Dogecoin. And this is huge. You can check out one of our videos which explains more about SpaceX engagement with Dogecoin as a payment option. Accepting Dogecoin at supercharging stations points to the future of Doge looking good as a substitute for transactional currency. One thing is that Elon Musk has been a vocal proponent of both Doge and Bitcoin, and he has long hinted towards bringing Doge as a payment method to various parts of Tesla's business. The company does accept in its online store, and it's not surprising that there's been rumors of Tesla eventually accepting crypto as a form of payment for its vehicles. In one of Musk's interviews, he'd made some comments about Dogecoin that showed vividly how highly Musk thinks of the coin. He compared it to Bitcoin in terms of transaction. He said that the transaction value of Bitcoin is low and the cost per transaction is high, at least at a space level. It is suitable as a store of value, but fundamentally, Bitcoin is not a good substitute for transactional currency. Interestingly, it's quite obvious that Musk thinks Dogecoin is good for transactions. So let's look at some Dogecoin charts. This is a 12-hour duration chart for Dogecoin against Tether. Based on the chart, the price has formed the descending triangle and is now close to the support area. If the price breaks the support here to the downside, we can expect correction to the downside, and if the price stays above the support area, we can expect correction to the downside from the purple area, located on the chart. Just in case the price breaks the purple area to the upside, we can see more gain. The current price at 13.7 cents is at the edge of a triangle where we have two possible scenarios. The first is a breakout to the bullish side as indicated by the green arrow. The bull run isn't, however, expected to be a smooth ride, as the arrow indicates a lot of possible retracements. A possible resistance is set to just below 18 cents. The second possible scenario is of course in opposite direction, a continuous downward trend of Dogecoin price. A support is set at 12 cents and a possible retest is shown on the chart as well. The retest may take the price back up to very close to the current price, and then it's expected to return to the downward trend. A psychological support level is identified at a round figure of 10 cents, and the price of Dogecoin isn't expected to cross this support level. This is the one-day Dogecoin USDT chart. A quite obvious feature on this chart is the downward channel shown by the two parallel orange lines. The top line passing through the peak price and the lower line quite close to the bottom price. The current price is at 13.7 cents, and this chart actually shows quite a number of resistances and supports. The first support line is at 12 cents, and beyond this we have another support line at 8.3 cents. This means that if Dogecoin can't fight the support at 12, the price can fall beyond 10 cents to as low as 8. On the contrary, if Dogecoin price picks up, it can break out of the downward channel, only to be resisted by the first resistance that we have on the chart here at 21.2 cents. The second resistance line is at 30 cents, and the third is set at 38.2 cents. In this chart, we can see a downward triangle as shown by the two white lines on the chart. We have three moving average trend lines, 50, 100, and 200. The 50 MA is colored in red, 100 MA is the green trend line, and the 200 MA is the blue. In this analysis, Dogecoin is expected to go up from the current price of 13.6 cents to as high as 14.1 cents to maintain its course in the triangle. You can also see the rectangular boxes at the base and top of the triangle at different points where the price touched them and changed directions. A pattern is established here, and if this pattern continues, then we should expect the price to go up from its current price. With these analyses, we now have an idea of the current status of Dogecoin and some experts' predictions. However, it's quite important that you do your own independent research before investing or assuming a position on the market. The importance of research cannot be overemphasized in the crypto world. It's a very volatile place, hence we always advise that you should only use money that you don't have immediate need for. By this, we mean money that you've set aside for investment. It's not a healthy financial practice to borrow money or use your credit card for crypto investments or trading. We strongly advise against this. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already and turn on bell notifications. If you have any questions, drop us a comment, and as always, good luck and happy investing.
Hollywood Carson. That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson. Hollywood Carson. That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson. Ain't got no place to call my own. Feels like